What is up, everybody? It's the Champions League. The champions. Dun, 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 dun.
A few moments later.
Champion. ओके मैं बहुत गंदा गाता हूँ कोई बात नहीं आर्सेनल वर्सेस रियल मैड्रिड आई एम रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दिस गेम बड़ी मुश्किल से मैं जगा हूँ अभी आदत थोड़ी सी खराब होगी मेरी क्योंकि जब 130 के मैच होते हैं ना तब तक मेरा जगना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है बट अगर मैं मैच देखना स्टार्ट कर दूं तो फिर मुझे कोई इश्यू नहीं होगा बस वो मैच स्टार्ट होने तक अगर मैं जगा रह जाऊं बस वही चाहिए हु डू आई थिंक विल विन दिस वन देखो इफ आर्सेनल अगर आर्सेनल को क्वालिफाई करना है अगर आर्सेनल को क्वालिफाई करना है दे हैव टू विन दिस गेम बाय एटलीस्ट 3 goals एटलीस्ट 3 goals Mbappe my favorite player but I don't like Real Madrid and Mbappe is my current favorite player now that Messi is non-existent at this point Inter Miami no one watches MLS to be honest except Americans I think and it's kick off. It's kick off. Okay, Saka got fouled. Set pieces. Set pieces are where Arsenal score the most. I would not foul them or give them a lot of corners if I'm Real Madrid. Who do I want to win this game? Real Madrid, of course. I'm not a Barcelona fan. I'm not a Barcelona fan. But I just don't like Real Madrid. Probably because they win so much. बहुत जीते हैं यार. Real Madrid बहुत जीती है. ज्यादा ही जीती है भाई. नो इतनी मोनोपोली नहीं होनी चाहिए चैंपियंस लीग में भाई. नो. So I mean Arsenal कभी नहीं जीती है तो I would probably I don't know North London Derby इतना personal नहीं लेता मैं I think it's more Tottenham and Arsenal to be honest and Vinicius Junior gets the ball will he pass it if he passes it it's a goal oh my god he passed it too late he passed it too late क्या बढ़िया स्टील ली थी और मतलब थ्रू ऑन गोल 2 versus 1 था एट सम पॉइंट एम्बापे की स्पीड देखो अब बहुत लेट कर दिया गया यार क्रॉस करने में या थोड़ा 2 और टच लेके क्रॉस लेता inside the box. Rodrigo gets dropped. Odegaard is asking for the ball. No one can see him. And Partey is saved. अबे यार रियल मैड्रिड का यही है भाई हमेशा कीपर रोक देता है चाहे कोर्टवा हो चाहे दूसरा बंदा हो लूनेन हो जो भी नंबर 2 पे चाहे नंबर 3 उनके दोनों अगर फर्स्ट 2 गोलकीपर्स इंजर हो जाएं उनका थर्ड गोलकीपर अपने मैच में 7 सेव करेगा मिनिमम जानता भी नहीं है कोई उसे ठीक है उसको अपने अकेडमी से लेके आए हैं चैंपियंस लीग फाइनल 7 सेव करेगा वो गारंटीड अभी लिख के ले लो आई थिंक वो विनिशियस एम्बापे वाला चांस जो एक था आई थिंक दैट इज द क्लोजेस्ट एनीवन हैज कम टू द गोल टू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड मे बी सम सेव्स थॉमस पार्टी का जो सेव किया था बट वो सीधा था यार कोटवा के पास देयर इज नो वे यू नो कोटवा इज फंबलिंग दैट शिट Kamavinga wins the ball again for Real Madrid again and they lose it a second later again who is this man it's Vinicius Junior oh, he's nutmegged him he's nutmegged Jude Bellingham but he got the ball and Mbappe's through on goal he should score this and he misses he was through on goal what a save Mbappe you are so shit Mbappe what are you doing he was through on goal one on one with the goalkeeper and he shits his pants हक दिया चैंपियंस लीग के फ्लोर पे oh no Mbappe what are you doing Mbappe no, I don't think Martinelli is like a skiller like oh that's a good touch by Vinicius and he गिर गया नाटक Vinicius का नाटक था ये पूरा there is no way गिर गया भाई एक सेकेंड रिप्ले में देखो ओके ओके भाई कहा क्या पकड़ा है कुछ भी विनिशियस कुछ भी व्हाट इज दैट बुलशिट मैन व्हाट इज दिस रनिंग इनटू ट्रैफिक who's this player man he just ran in bulldozed in finally oh what a save and that's another save by Courtois oh my god that's a double save every time it's a Real Madrid goalkeeper जो इतनी खतरनाक सेव्स करता है अवे गेम में और फिर रियल मैड्रिड होम गेम्स में डोमिनेट कर देती है भाई क्या डबल सेव था भाई क्या सेव था कोटवा unbelievable no he won't let Arsenal score Arsenal have been the better team now 3 मिनट पहले इक्वल था, बट आई थिंक आर्सेनल थोड़ी से बेटर रही है. But it doesn't matter. You have to convert. And the stupid Real Madrid keepers keep saving and everything, man. And it's not even the keeper, it's just Real Madrid, man, every time. That's a. Oi! Okay, this half is going to be goalless. All thanks to Courtois. Oh, what a save. What a double save, man. What a double save by Courtois. Insane, man. उठा फिर से save. Bash. Oh man, that is so unlucky. Yeah, Arsenal, man. Half time. And that is half time. It's 0-0. Arsenal have been slightly better, and the Real Madrid keeper Courtois keeps them in the game. He has kept them in the game. The insane double save, and आर्सेनल के स्ट्राइक का जो भी स्ट्राइकर है वो गोरा सा बंदा, नॉट क्लिनिकल एट ऑल. सामने से बॉल जाती है, एक बार भी टच नहीं किया. एम्बापे बहुत ही गंदा थ्रू ऑन गोल मिस किया है. Both teams have missed very crucial chances, and the thing is, it's more important for Arsenal to win this match at least by 1 or 2 goals, क्योंकि बर्नबाउ में नहीं जीतेंगे भाई. मेरे हिसाब से तो बिल्कुल नहीं जीतेंगे. Arsenal cannot win in the fortress that is Bernabeu. Uh, both teams are back. Both teams are back on the field. I think free kick for Arsenal. Arsenal have been deadly on set pieces. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. Okay, what the hell has happened to my Instagram feed, man? Okay, not interested. Not interested. Not interested. बहुत इंसल कंटेंट आता है भाई, मैं देखता भी नहीं हूँ ये सब. ओ ये तो ये है, ये तो ये है, ये तो ऐसी है लड़की. ठीक है यार, नो वन केयर्स. Oh my God! Arsenal have scored. Arsenal have scored from the set piece. Oh my God! What? What a goal! What a goal! They scored it. Oh no! It was coming, and they get it from a set piece. Ah, they look so disappointed. What a goal, Declan Rice. A goal was coming, man. I knew a goal was coming. Set piece and Arsenal, man. Set piece and Arsenal. What a free kick. What a free kick. Curled it in. No chance for Courtois. Oh my God, what an insane curler. What an insane curler, man. Oh my God, what a goal. What a goal from Declan Rice. What a free kick. What a free kick. Wow. Oh, you cannot blame the keeper here. The thing is, एक और गोल चाहिए आर्सेनल को, एंड रियल मैड्रिड शुड नॉट स्कोर. आर्सेनल नीड वन मोर गोल एंड रियल मैड्रिड शुड नॉट स्कोर. तो बर्नबाउ में थोड़ा सा सेफ रहेंगे. Oh my God, the set piece guy told him to curl it. They have been practicing this shit. Arsenal, what a goal. No way. No way Real Madrid is losing to Chawal. Arsenal, I think पूरे टाइम आर्सेनल के पास बॉल रही है यार. And, oh my God, no way. Oh, that's an amazing save. And that's another amazing save. And that's another amazing save. Oh my God, Courtois. Oh my God. 3 बार बचा दिया, 3 बार. Oh my God. You cannot get past Courtois unless you have like a goal line save. Insane save by Courtois, 1-on-1. Then goal line save by Alaba. What is this black magic, man? What is this magnet ball? सीधा इनके defender या goalkeeper के पास जाता है भाई. He falls, he gets up, and he saves it again. There's no. Oh my God. What a save. What a save. This is the black magic I'm talking about, man. Another save. Another save. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is some insane goalkeeping. Oh my God. They are so unlucky, dude. Another free kick for Declan Rice. There is no way he scores. He scores again. What the hell is this shit, Declan Rice? He scored 2 free kicks. Oh my god, Declan Rice. Oh my god. What an amazing free kick this is. Holy shit, Declan Rice. Oh my god, Declan Rice. Real Madrid are 2-0 down. They are 2-0 down. Declan Rice. Two insane free kicks. Holy shit. Oh my god, Declan Rice. I did not think he was gonna make that shit, man. I did not think he was gonna win. They are losing. Two free kicks. Oh my god, top wins. Curler, top corner. This is one of the best free kicks I have seen, man. There is no way anyone was saving that shit, dude. Oh my god, Real Madrid. Oh my god, Real Madrid, bro. Real Madrid should be down 5-0 right now. I'm not even kidding. Oh my god. That's the top of the toppest wins. Top corner masterclass. Holy shit, man. What a goal. That was insane. Insane. Oh my god, Declan Rice. Two free kicks. Two insane free kicks. They are overcoming the Real Madrid black magic. This is insane, dude. Oh my god. But this is still nice. Chawal, bhai, chawal. Literally chawal. They are losing to chawal. And Real Madrid can't get anything. Man, what? Two insane free kicks, man. Two insane free kicks. When does the black magic come in, man? When do they call like कि हाँ भाई हाँ हाँ 2 गोल मार दिए हैं आर्सेनल ने. हाँ शुरू कर दो भाई, शुरू कर दो. हाँ. मेरे ढोल ना सुन मेरे प्यारे. हाँ वो स्टार्ट कर दो. हाँ सोनू निगम को बुला दो. अरिजीत सिंह को भी बुला दो. शुरू कर दो. तुम्हारे पास हमने भिजवा दिया है सारे आर्सेनल प्लेयर्स के सर के बाल. और रेफरी के भी सर का बाल दे दिया. वैसे हमने उसको पैसे दे रखे हैं. बट पता नहीं फ्री किक पे फ्री किक दिए जा रहे साला. तो उसका भी सीन कर दो. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ हाँ ठीक है. नो नो दैट इज पापा पेरेज टू यू. नो ठीक है. ओके यू कैन कॉल मी डैडी पेरेज. ओके. अभी कितने. हाँ 3 गोल रियल मैड्रिड और एटलीस्ट 2 पेनल्टी. ओके चलो बाय. डेक्लन राइस द मैन. राइस हैज बिन ट्रबल. चावल ने बिल्कुल दाल बना दी, खिचड़ी बना दी. Oh my god, that's another goal! That's another goal! Real Madrid is out! Real Madrid is out! Out of the Champions League! Real Madrid is out of the Champions League! Yeah! 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 Get that shit out of here, man! Get that shit out of here! Oh my god, Real Madrid fans have to be crying right now! Holy shit! Oh my god, that was. Oh my god, what 3 insane goals. It should be like 7-0 right now. I'm not even kidding. Single-handedly because of Courtois. Oh my god. Oh my god. Real Madrid fans have to be raging. Real Madrid fans have to be raging. Oh my god. This is mad. This is mad. Oh my god. 2 free kicks. And then it's another. Oh my god. What a finish, man. What a finish. Real Madrid. Oh my god, they have to pull a Liverpool now. Unless Arsenal score another goal. Arsenal have been insane in this half. क्या खेल रहे हैं भाई, क्या खेल रहे हैं, क्या खेल रहे हैं. There is no way Papa Perez lets that happen. Lets that happen, whatever. Holy shit, man. What a game. Arsenal, man, they are dominating like insane, man. They're not letting Real Madrid even get a decent chance at goal. Holy shit, man. Odegaard, look at him dribbling. Look at Odegaard dribbling. No one can get this dude. Missing the next match. Can Real Madrid get a goal here? They need it. And Vinicius. That's an easy take. That's good defense. Good defense. Vinicius not I don't think he even got a shot on goal, man. Disastrous Vinicius performance. This was a disastrous Vinicius performance. Disastrous Mbappe performance. You can clearly see all the Real Madrid fans sad as hell. I would say it was a disastrous Camavinga performance as well. And wow, I think they mostly lost to set pieces. 4 minutes added on this game as well. Real Madrid have 4 minutes to get a goal back. There is no way they get more than one goal back in this game. Uh, wow, man, what a game, man. You have to give them some kudos, man. Set pieces, these guys are unstoppable, unstoppable. Free kicks, man. What a free kick by Declan Rice. What a free kick by Declan Rice. Insane. The second free kick, awesome. The first free kick, what a curler, man. Two insane free kicks. And then you have that brilliant finish by the dude, Merino, I think. The dude I said he's not doing anything. Bro, Arsenal could have been like 6-0, man. I'm not even kidding. If Courtois wasn't there, 6-0. And I think if they were 5-0 or something, man, this would have been insane, man. What a game. And a yellow card here to someone. Who did they give the yellow card to? Red card for Camavinga. What? Yeah. He sent him out. That was a stupid challenge. Why would you do that? They're literally 15 seconds off. You just wasted the time. They could have got one more shot off. And the match is over on this side. Inter Milan win the game. And I think Real Madrid also have lost this game. Arsenal 3-0. Two insane goals and one amazing goal. Insane free kicks. Oh, everyone's waving bye bye. This has to be a disastrous game for Real Madrid. Holy shit, this might be the worst Real Madrid Champions League game I have seen. They're gonna blow the whistle at any time. Come on. Blow that shit. Blow that shit. Blow. Blow. And it's done. Real Madrid have lost 3-0 in the Champions League quarterfinals. 3-0 in the Champions League quarterfinals. Oh, Declan Rice has beaten Real Madrid. Holy shit. They have to be 4-0 to win. They have to be 4-0 to win. Real Madrid up. Oh my god, it's over for Real Madrid. No way. Arsenal. Can Arsenal win the Oh my god. Oh, Declan Rice, man of the match. Holy shit, what a game for Arsenal. Every Arsenal fan has to be really proud. What an insane game. What an insane game. Both the games were good, man. Both the games were good today. And Arsenal have beaten Real Madrid. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maybe an insane game, man. What an insane game. Kya badhiya. Not only were there, was it a high scoring match, but the goals were so good as well. Brilliant free kick goals. And congratulations to Arsenal for winning this one. Thank you so much for watching this stream. Whoever watched and whoever will watch, watch it as a video or whatever. Man, I really enjoyed this. And thank you so much for watching. I will say bye-bye now. And let's see what happens in the second half. I mean, I half expect Real Madrid to come back, but I think Arsenal has got this in the bag.